Hello friends, welcome to third session of online Python internship program. In the second session, we understood how to create a sample web page and how to run that web page with the help of Django server. So in the third session, we will try to design sample user interface. So let me design. Go to the directory where we have created our project. So go to C drive, go to tech project, go to my project, go to demo project. Inside demo project, so we'll be having template folder which we have created earlier. So this is the home page which we have created earlier. Let me edit this file. Right click and open with notepad. Let me design some simple login page. To design login page, we need to use HTML tag. To using HTML tags, we can design any web page. Let me design a simple login page. Login page, I'll take a heading. You can use heading h2. I'll take table tr and td table data. I'll take username, close td, and td. I'll take one more td. Take text box, input type is equal to text, and name. I'll take some name, your name. td close. Let me close tr. Okay, let me copy the same thing, paste it here, take it as password. So anyway, we are taking password box. The type is password, and so we need to give some other names. PSW I'll give, and I'll take one more table row, table data. Inside table data, I'll take submit button. Type submit. Value you can give in login, register, or sign in. Anything you can give. Login, td, and close this tr. Close table. Save this file. Anyway, our first page is ready. So let me run and show the output. So to run this application, we need to start the server. In the second session, we understood that how to run the server, how to start the server, and how to run the application. So let me start the server. To start the server, we need to go to command prompt, command prompt, cmd. In command prompt, we need to move the folder where we have created our project. So I have created my project in C drive. In C drive, tech project, my project, in my project, demo project. Okay, here in this folder, so we need to start the server. To start the server, we need to give the command python manage.py run server. Python space manage.py space run server. Press enter. It says that server is up and running. So it is showing IP address. So after getting this message, let's move on to the browser. In browser, we need to type localhost :800/myapp. My app, the name of the application which we created earlier, and press enter. Okay, this is how exactly login page look like. Let me align the content. Go to the same file and use center tag to align the content to the center of the page. Center close, center, save, then go to browser, refresh. Let me apply some background color, BG color, sky blue, go refresh. Let me give some space. I'll use BR tag. I'll use multiple times. Use multiple lines of space. Okay. Let me use one more tag, mark Q. Mark Q. Okay. Apply background color to this particular text. Style, background color, blue, and color white, and font size, and go with 20px. Font size and go with 20px. Sorry, I did mistake. What happened? 20px. Save this file and refresh. So now our first login page is ready. So along with login page, let me design a dashboard too. To design dashboard, let me take one more page. It's an empty page. Go to your notepad, take an empty notepad, and let me design a dashboard, simple dashboard. HTML, start with HTML, body. In the body, what I'll do is body, let me close HTML. In this page, I'll go to home, I'll copy the same content. So this is the content I want to copy here, and the same background color I need to apply. I'll copy the same background color and I'll apply here. Okay, here. So dashboard, I'll take table, tr, td, I'll take input type is equal to button, and value is equal to new student register, button, new register, td close and tr close. Copy the same content, paste multiple times, and change this thing, new student register. I'll take it as delete student, view students, and update student. So let me close the table. Let me save this file. We need to save this file within the template folder itself. Let me give the file name as dashboard.html and save the type as all type. So click on save. Okay, our dashboard is ready. Let me run the server and let me check what the output will get. So anyway, our server is running. Go to the browser and refresh the page. We'll get the same page, the login page. What we need to do if we move from login page to dashboard, we need to provide URL. So if we provide URL, Django can understand. So where exactly we move. Again, it is showing the login page. If we want to move from login page to dashboard, we need to set the URL. By URL, Django can understand where to move, how to move from login page to the dashboard. Let me set the URL. Go to the folder where we have created the project. So in demo project, so we have our application, my app. Inside my app, so we have two files, URLs, and we have many files. So in URL file, we need to do some settings. So in URL, so let me open URL. Let me edit this file. Open with Notepad. Here we need to provide the path. Let me give the path. Here we need to provide some name. Let me open the dashboard. So when should I move from login page to dashboard? When I click on the button. Okay, so here let me create a button and let me take one more tr. So td, I'll take input type. Okay, sorry, not in dashboard. So in login page, sorry. Okay, again it is showing the login page. So if we want to move from login page to dashboard, we need to provide URL. So how to set the URL? Let me show. Go to the directory where we have created our project. So my project, in my project, we have demo project. In demo project, we have our application name, my app. So click on my app. So within my app folder, so we have URL files. So let me edit URL file. Right click on URLs and open with Notepad. Here we need to provide path. So before providing path here, go to the home page where we have created login page. Here I'll use now anchor tag a href and open for bracket percentage URL and give login. Any name you can give, percentage, and close the floor bracket and close the tag. Close double quotes and close the tag. And finally you need to close this anchor tag after the button, after submit button. Okay, here you need to copy this name and go to your URLs file. Here you need to mention the path within the single code. We need to provide the same name login and views.login comma name. I can give login only. So this is what the path we need to mention in urls.py file. After this, we need to want to views page. Go to your directory, my app directory. Right click on views. edit with notepad. Here we need to create a function called df login. So open request colon return render request where we need to move. So we need to move on to dashboard. So we need to mention the name, file name dashboard.html and close and save the file, and that's it. And go and check it out your server not showing any error. It is running perfectly. And move on to browser and refresh the browser and click on login button. Okay, it is successfully showing the dashboard. This is how we need to move from login page to dashboard with the help of the path or URL. And that's it for this session. Thank you so much.